this week is a pretty special week since I'll be celebrating my sister's birthday party. And the thing is that the place that we really liked, we were lucky enough to have digital invitations sent out as well, because it's now a struggle to print them all out and hand them out to little kids, because you never know if they're gonna lose it or not. So with the digitalization, it became a lot easier on my parents. But the thing is that a couple days in, they got so many RSVPs, they weren't sure what food are we supposed to bring, what cake does everyone like, what about drinks, or the party favors, what are we supposed to do, how are we supposed to decorate the place, what age groups are there. It was just hectic. And now we're starting to get it a little bit more sorted out, but then suddenly another RSVP comes in and then we have to rearrange the entire place. So if you haven't guessed it already, welcome to the Perspective Building Workshop specialized for you, so you can get your unique thought by just monitoring your day-to-day surroundings. So allow me to tell you how I got my unique thought this week. Anyway, like how I said earlier in this video, I said that this place had these digital invitations that we were able to send out. So what if any RSVPs that we got back, this company or this place could see them? And in them, you can also put little facts about yourself saying, oh, I'm vegetarian, or oh, I really love chocolate cake, or I love chicken tenders, or whatever. That way, this place can read these RSVPs and have a customized party for your child. And this would be really fun because each party would be unique, and based on the customization or the time that they used or the money they spend, they could bill accordingly. So it would fluctuate back and forth. But that way you get a perfect party where everyone's happy, where everyone has something they would like. And if some places, I know they might not have all of this they might not be as skilled in technology. So what if you could start up your own startup where you have a event management system, and you would go into places like this, offer your services, and then you would get a portion of the money that you helped in decorating the entire place up. Maybe this kind of thing or technology already exists that I'm just not aware about. And if you know anything about it, don't hesitate in letting me know, because I'm sure it would help out my parents a whole lot. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week.